This is some short clips of daytime hunting red fox. These are 18.13 grain, 22 caliber pellets. In this video, I am using a 22 caliber Air Force Condor 22 caliber pellet rifle. This is some video of missing a red fox at 25 yards when I'm sighted in at 50 and he decides to lower his head at the wrong time. This is the slow motion shot of the miss at the fox at 25 yards. This is a kill shot of a red fox at 54.7 yards. This is a slow motion of that 54.7 yard red fox shot with a 22 caliber Condor air rifle. This video shows you that you can call red fox in the daytime. You don't need to shoot them with a large caliber rifle. However, the 22 caliber pellet rifle was not my choice of weapon for hunting red fox. Thanks for watching these short clips of shooting a red fox off a triax stand rifle rest. Thank you.